Brother,
Huh?
say hi.
Hi.
We're out here salvaging some tin today. An old house. A beautiful day for it. It's going to be 26 and sunny. Ford brothers are out here today.
Yeah. One side done, this is the tin we got so far.
Yeah.
This other side is all straight.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad.
It'll be quicker.
Yeah. Yeah, we got this one to do. And then there's a shed over there. I think we'll do that one as well. Yep, working on the second building today. Yep, working on the second building today. Getting there. If it doesn't kill us,
Makes it stronger.
makes it stronger. Ah, the Kia kit is getting better. It's all coming together. We even scored a window or a door. I mean. Real nice door. We still got to pick up the jams and we're salvaging an old house and we're getting some good materials out of it. Now we got the helper out today. We're salvaging. We've got some interior doors and jam. It's kind of rough, but I think we can fix it. We can use it for the main entrance door.